My name is Mouna Haidar and I'm a neuroscientist. I work at the Florey Institute of Neuroscience and Mental Health. My research experience and background is I did a PhD in neuroscience at the Florey Institute of Neuroscience and Mental Health, and I graduated 2 years ago, and since then I've joined the MND lab at the Florey. I began my research in MND because I've always had an interest in understanding how the brain works under diseased and healthy states, and I'm passionate in applying that knowledge to the MND field to further elucidate the role of motor regions in the brain. The grant that FightMND awarded me this year has given me the opportunity to develop and validate the first mouse model of sporadic MND, which otherwise would not have been possible. I'm currently looking at overactivity in the brain, which is known to occur in sporadic and familial MND patients. I'm for the first time using an innovative and powerful technique known as DREADS to manipulate the activity or to overexcite the activity of brain motor neurons to create a model to study sporadic MND. This project opens an exciting avenue to study sporadic MND in a preclinical relevant mouse model, which will have tremendous impact to the lives of the majority of MND patients. The support from FightMND this year has also enabled me to start building my own team. We've just hired a research assistant that's been working alongside me. The money donated from the Big Freeze 6 campaign will continue to support research such as mine, and as well as research Australia-wide. We need this money to turn this sort of research into hope for MND patients for a treatment one day. I'd really like to thank people for their beanie purchases, as well as all the donors and helpers at FightMND. Without your generosity, us researchers would not be able to do what we're doing today, and people suffering with MND would not have hope for the future.